Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, cadets. Let's have a winning Wednesday. Mirsalas, Victorioso, and Victoriosa. Have a great day.
Good morning, Frederick High School. It's Mrs. Green, and we're here today with today's daily trivia question. Today's question: which farm animal can purr similar to a cat when they are happy? Is it a duck, a turkey, a goose, or a chicken? As always, drop your answer in the box below, and we will let you know the answer tomorrow.